My top secret drink for flat tummy. Half lemon. Half teaspoon of coffee. A glass of hot water. Drink this early morning.
Okay, so anyone trying to lose weight really fast, these are Baileys, which in Spanish are laurel. These are cinnamon sticks. It does not make you go to the number 2 at all. You don't got to be running to the restroom, nothing like that. It just makes you lose weight, like seriously, quick, fast. Next day you'll lose weight. Trust me what I'm telling you. I used it just to see, because I like to prove if it works or not. And I'm telling you that God honest truth, it works. You will lose weight fast. I mean, you want to lose pounds off your stomach, off your waistline, everything, girl, drink this. Make sure you put it in a pot, waters, boil it, and then let it cool down. Put it in your glass with a little bit of honey. Keep it warm while you're drinking it. And you should drink it at night and in the morning. You do not have to go to the bathroom, the number 2. Don't feel that, you're going to be going all day. No, just drink it and then eat your food or whatever and you're good. But, twice a day, morning and night, honey, you will lose weight. Just shut it off.